Hi guys, it's Keith with BobsCNC here today with Bob.
Hey guys.
And we just wanted to announce something that we've done on the website for everybody that owns one of our machines.
Yeah, so ever since I was a little kid, I always tore apart my toys to try to make them better.
Yes.
I know I'm still doing it now,
Yes.
but that's who I am.
Yes.
Well, as it turns out, a lot of our customers, or a proportion of them, have the same problem that I do, is they can't leave it alone. They got to
Not near as many as you think.
Got to make some improvements or some modifications to try
Yes.
to make it do things better,
Right.
or at least, for them. So, we have folks that have made
Extension kits.
or documents on how to hook up your router so it turns on and off.
Right. We've had
Gator
recommendations on bit selection.
Bit dusters, yeah, those type
Yeah.
of, yeah. So if you would like to share the information that you've discovered, or maybe a modification that you've made to one of our machines, whether it's the E series, the Evolution series, or the KL, or any future product, wink wink.
Well,
Anyway,
sneaky.
yeah, go ahead and make up a PDF.
Yep.
Or if you're going to share your design files, a DXF or a STL, SGV file, please note that this is going to mean that they're open source, so that anybody is going to be able to download them.
Right.
And if you put them, your design files or your ideas, and somebody decides that they can make those and sell them, then that's going to be okay. So if that's not okay with you, definitely don't share your files. You want to make sure that you keep them on your own hard drive.
Yep.
Okay?
Is that it?
I think so.
All right. Well, we're looking forward to hearing from you guys. So till next time.
Yeah, and Kristen will put a link where you can find these articles. We've already got a few of them that customers have sent in.
Yeah, I got
Yeah.
it from you.
Yeah. Thank you.
See you guys.